What up? So today we got a video by Kansas City Accountability. Yeah, we did one of his videos before. He was the guy that was doing the police trivia and stuff like that. Pretty funny dude. So definitely want to check out another one of his videos. This video is called You Can't Record in the Bank Parking Lot First Amendment Audit. So we're gonna definitely do a First Amendment audit video, and let's see how this turns out. The last one wasn't too bad. The cop just left and everything was smooth. So hopefully that can happen again this time. So let's get into it.
How you doing?
Doing good. How can I help you?
You got a bottle of water and a lollipop?
I do not, but you are not allowed to video the branch.
Why is that?
Because it's a federal institution, you cannot video it.
Oh, I don't plan on going inside of your bank. I'm not doing
You can't
nothing.
video the outside of my branch. It's a bank.
Okay.
You cannot video it.
But I'm actually working on something.
Okay, but you can't video.
Your branch. You act like you own it. Get out of here, man. Federal institution. Come on now. Videoing it is the same thing as being able to see it with your eyes. What if somebody has a photographic memory and that's what it is? You know what I mean? So these people, they be killing me with this stuff sometime, you know?
Video the branch.
Well, I'm not going to be out here long. You know, just a few more hours. I'm not going to be too long out here.
Either to just exit our building area. I'm their district operations manager.
And what's your name?
My name's Jacqueline.
Okay.
And I would prefer that you don't record me.
And what's your name?
What can we help with, sir?
I asked her, did she have a bottle of water and a lollipop?
I mean, this is ridiculous. And I don't know why people still do this to this day, that they know if you're in public, everybody should know this. I mean, you don't have to have someone's permission to film them in public. You have no expectation of privacy in public. If you don't want to be filmed, go somewhere else that's not public. You know what I mean? Like, these people be killing me with this stuff, you know? I prefer to not be filmed. Okay, that's great. I'm still gonna film you if I want to because we're on the public sidewalk. So.
Manager.
And what's your name?
My name's Jacqueline.
Okay.
And I would prefer that you don't record me.
And what's your name?
What can we help with, sir?
I asked her, did she have a bottle of water and a lollipop?
Can't video the bank.
But I'm not on your property.
But you can't video the bank. It's a security issue.
For what?
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
For the employees who work here,
What are their concerns?
that people who would want to rob this bank would video it to see how things operate and then use that. You're not allowed to video.
How crazy do this?
Oh, he just made that shit up. I ain't gonna lie. That boy just made that up, bruh. What did you, this whole explanation he gave, that if somebody wants to rob the bank, they would sit out there and film how to get, come on, man. Come on, man. Are you serious? That's the best explanation that this guy can give?
I asked her, did she have a bottle of water and a lollipop?
Can't video the bank.
But I'm not on your property.
But you can't video the bank. It's a security issue.
For what?
For the employees who work here,
What are their concerns?
that people who would want to rob this bank would video it to see how things operate and then use that. You're not allowed to video.
How crazy do that sound, man? I told her I'm not going to be out here long, just a few more hours. I'm just going to get maybe the drive-through and
you're not.
I'm going to get the
You're
drive.
not.
Okay, you gonna walk with me? Come on. I can't hear you.
These are private vehicles. You are not at liberty to take pictures of them.
I cannot hear you. Can you stop yelling so I can
You're not
understand?
loud. You can hear me.
I can't
Do not
understand.
take pictures of the vehicles
I can't-
in this parking lot.
Now say it one more time so I can understand what
Do
you...
not take pictures of the vehicles
Okay.
in a bank parking lot.
But I'm not on your property.
It
But
doesn't
it
matter.
doesn't.
In a bank parking lot. You mean a public parking lot? Is that what you mean? Is that what you mean? I think she means a public parking lot. Man, these people, man. They are funny. They are funny. I want to see what the cops are going to say when they show up. This is now I want to see what the cops are going to say because this, oh man, he ain't doing nothing wrong, man.
Take pictures of
I cannot hear you. Can you stop yelling so I can
You're not
understand?
loud. You can hear me.
I can't
Do not
understand.
take pictures of the vehicles
I can't-
in this parking lot.
Now say it one more time so I can understand what
Do
you...
not take pictures of the vehicles in a bank parking lot.
But I'm not on your property.
It
But
doesn't
it
matter.
doesn't matter.
That matters.
It doesn't matter.
It does.
It doesn't.
This is private information. It is not for your use. You video me all you want.
Just
I
go
don't
to the
care.
side.
No, I will
It's not like that. It's not how this works.
Hey, you guys, look at them, man. This...
See, but now, when the police do show up, it's going to be a real problem.
What does that mean?
It means that you're threatening the employees who work at this.
Nah, he ain't threatening the employees. You just threatened him. When the police show up, it's going to be a real problem. I hope you don't lie, because a lot of them be lying to the police when they show up and they don't say the actual truth about what's going on. They like to fabricate the stories a lot. So I hope that when the police come and they say that they side of the story, be accurate now. All he doing is he out there filming. You know what I'm saying? Don't add your little extra tidbits in there and all that. Just say what it is, because there's no difference between him filming and somebody walking past that has a photographic memory. Same thing, bro.
What does that mean?
It means that you're threatening the employees who work at this facility.
I didn't threaten nobody.
Then why are you videoing and taking that information?
I told you I was working on something.
What are you working?
Okay, but do you understand how it's weird?
Absolutely
to
not.
film
Absolutely not. Do you understand how it's legal for me to record on the public sidewalk?
Okay, well,
Why
you're
won't you
saying
tell
they
him
asked you
that?
to leave and you would not.
Because I'm on the public sidewalk.
You're still in the parking lot.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
Actually, they own all the way.
Sir, can I get a supervisor out here, please? Let's get a supervisor.
Okay, well, we need to get your information.
Absolutely not.
Okay. Then we'll put your hands.
It just ends like that? What? Nah, no way. Nah. No way it ends like that, bro. That's insane, dog. They locked him up? Well, in the description, it says that, you know, he'll have the full footage and body cam stuff of when he gets it. Oh, man, that's insane. What? You can't film in public? Yeah, boy. That's yeah, boy. That's crazy, bruh.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.